'Twas long ago near Jericho, where Joshua lit the spark. A soldier from a holy war lay dying in the dark, and he heard the final trumpet through the sacred culling ground. He heard a sound like thunder as walls came tumbling down. Jericho, Jericho. And he prayed to find redemption, prayed for inner peace. He preyed upon the innocents, searching for release. He traveled far behind the lines, cut the sacred wire, put his lips against the steel like a symbol of his ire.